Hello everyone, this is the cadaver showing the brachial plexus on the right arm. So remember, the brachial plexus consists of three trunks, 6 divisions, and 3 cords and 5 nerves. They all originate from the anterior rami of the spinal nerves C5 to T1. Whereas C5 and C6 form the what? If you said superior trunk, you are correct. Then C7 forms the middle trunk, and then C8 and T1 forms the inferior trunk. So you will see them all the way up there. But here, what you can clearly see are the nerves attached to their cords, and some of the cords you can see attached to their divisions. The trunks are much closer to the spinal cord. So let's see the set of nerves right here. You can see there's 3 of them, okay? And it kind of forms this letter M. You can see the tool where I'm following that. It forms that M, okay? There's gonna be distractors. Ignore those. Focus on the M. Okay, once you see that M, it will be split into these 3 different nerves of the brachial plexus. Remember the acronym MARMU, M-A-R-M-U. So right here, laterally, because here's the arm, so you know it's going to be lateral. That will be the lateral cord, and from the lateral cord, we will have the musculocutaneous nerve arising from it, and it will end right here by the biceps brachii or brachialis muscle, deep to the biceps brachii, but superficial to the brachialis muscle. Then the medial part of that group of nerves, that M, is going to be the ulnar nerve, and that ulnar nerve will travel all the way down to the forearm, okay, and it's medially. Whereas we have this 3rd nerve right here, but look what's unique about it. It's formed by 2 parts right here. So it's a conjoining, so we can safely assume that that is going to be the median nerve, and that median nerve will travel all the way down to the forearm. So we know that if we tag this, that's the musculocutaneous nerve, and that musculocutaneous nerve is formed by the lateral cord. We know that the lateral cord is formed by the anterior divisions of the superior and middle trunks. Here is the medial cord, not median, it's medial cord, and we know that the medial cord is formed by the anterior division of the inferior trunk. So how do I find the 3rd cord? I'm going to move all of these to the side. So if you see us moving that M to the side, now you will see right here we will have a V, because remember, there's 1 trunk. So the posterior trunk that will split into 2. Because remember, there are 2 nerves arising from the posterior trunk. So cord. So the posterior cord, I'm sorry. Okay? So the posterior cord will have 2 branches off of it. So you see that V. So that posterior cord's first branch will be the axillary. How do I know that's the axillary? Look, it ended abruptly in there, so it means it ends by the axillary region. And follow this one, it travels all the way down to the arm, to the length of the arm. So that means this is going to be the radial nerve, and that is the axillary nerve. So when we get to the forearm, we know that there will be 3 nerves present. We will have the lateral musculocutaneous nerve, not musculocutaneous, I'm sorry, the lateral radial nerve, because remember, it will travel all the way down to the forearm, the median nerve, the middle median nerve, and the medial ulnar nerve. So hopefully this video helped a little bit with explaining things. Remember, find the M. Once you find the M, look for the V. Out of the V, which one's longer, which one's shorter. All right?